How to change region in Roblox. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, there is no option or feature to change the region or location on Roblox. That's why we will be using an alternative solution that can get the job done. So just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up any browser you have. And once you do that, search for Roblox support and navigate to this page right here. Now, once you are on this page, you will see that there are two sections. The first one says contact information, and on this section right here, you will be entering your username and first name, which are optional, and I recommend that you do enter them. And also, you will be entering and confirming your email address. Now, once you are done with this section, which is pretty self-explanatory, we need to scroll down to the second section for the second step. And as you can see here, it says issue details. The first option that you have, it says what device are you having the problem on, and it has a drop down from which you want to select the device that you are using Roblox on. For me, it's an Android phone, and for you, choose whatever suits you the best. The second drop down, it says type of help category, so click on it, and here you need to choose either how to, this one right here, or technical support. Choose one of these two options. I'm going to choose how to, and once you do that, you will see that there's another new drop down that has just appeared. If you click on it, it will show you these two options. Choose whichever one, it does not really matter at this point. The second the last thing is you will get to this description of issue, which is a messaging box in which you will be messaging the Roblox team and asking them to change your location, country, region, whatever you want, and make sure to explain it well and give them your reasons. Say, for example, that you have moved or that you have mistakenly entered your location and you need to fix it, etc. Just to each person his own different reason. Just make sure to explain it well, and once you're done, click on submit, and your request will be submitted and they will get back to you after a while. It's different for everyone. It might even take few business days, but once they get back to you, they should solve your problem. It's very easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your region, country, or location on Roblox. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.